Hey guys, today I'm here with the new Xprite top mesh. Installation on this is going to be pretty simple. All you got to do is take the bungee cords, stick them through the hole, wrap them around, and insert the ball through the other end of the loop.